So we have a group of environmental studies seniors from Earlham College partnering with the Parks and Rec department to revitalize this space, Middlefork Reservoir. There's a lot of things that it has to offer, including water recreation, but our first big step is to revitalize the playground. So we're working on raising money right now to get a new playground built, and we're hoping to incorporate educational opportunities about the water table, how all of this water from the reservoir is Richmond's drinking water. And so we're really just trying to bring the community back to this space through having that revitalized playground, bringing in hopefully a waterfront restaurant, having more community events like this with the dog park, treat find and wine, and some different food truck options coming in. We've already gotten some of the docks restored. Lowe's came in and donated time and the materials to actually redo some of those docks. We have a lot of interest in the waterfront restaurant coming in, and so it's been a really easy process and gone a lot faster than we expected. And it feels good to give back to a place that has taken us in from all over the world, a place that's been our home for the past 4 years, and to finally make an impact that we think will last far into the future.